Hello, good evening. My name is Lawrence Bego. I'm 23 years old. I'm from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Lawrence, you've joined a national pageant during 2018. And of course, you've joined international pageant na rin when you were teen. So, you're 22 years old now. So, after how many years no, nagbabalik ka sa pageantries. So, kamusta naman ang preparation mo? Of course, this is your first national pageant, second national pageant na.
Of course, this pageant, we need to be strong in physically and mentally. And of course, pinaghandaan natin lahat ng aspect ng pageant na ito. And syempre, gusto natin ma-win crown in yung title. Kaya syempre, lalaban tayo.
Ano yung pinaka-preparation mo dito sa Mr. Grand Philippines na lalabanan?
Well, of course, gym and going to the gym and reading a lot of books. Siyempre, kailangan natin magandaan, hindi lang physically, and dapat handa tayo palagi sa kung ano yung ibabatong tanong sa atin.
Do you undergo trainings din ba? Like sa Q&A and pasarela mo?
No, but I'm personal training.
Personal
yes.
training.
Independent ka ba or may camp ka ngayon?
What?
Independent ka ba? Independent candidate or may camp ka? Independent candidate.
So what made you decide to join Mr. Grand Philippines?
Yes, tulad yan na sinabi ko, I want to represent our country again one more time sa international pageant, and I want to magbigay din ng karangalan sa bansa natin. That's it.
Yung pagsali mo dito or pagsali mo sa ibang bansa ay advantage na para at least magkaroon ka ng placement sa Mr. Grand Philippines?
I don't see it as advantage, but I see it as a learning experience na pwede kong gamitin sa pageant na to. Of course, tanggapin natin na sa pageant to kailangan natin maging handa sa kung sino yung makakasalamuhan natin. At tingin ko yun yung meron ako ngayon sa parating na pageant na to.
So just in case na manalo ka sa Mr. Grand Philippines, how will you be able to use the core value of the organization?
Of course, I use it as I want to be a voice of this organization. Of course, kung ano man yung mission na gusto gawin ng organization to, I want to be part of that.
So you will be representing Bulacan?
Yes.
Okay.
So is it really important to speak in English or Tagalog pagdating sa national at saka international pageant? What's your thought on this?
I don't think so. Tingin ko kung saan tayo komportable.
So bakit ikaw ang kailangan tanghalin isa sa mga title holders of Mr. Grand Philippines? Of course, marami kasi title at stake.
Yes.
Of course, I have a resiliency and commitment to this pageant. And I know to myself that I will do everything that I can to win this title. That's it.
Lawrence, sinong handler mo ngayon? Doon parang galing-galing mo.
Si Ma'am H po.
Bongga! Kaya naman pala ano yung advice na sinabi sa'yo ni Match Edge mo?
Yun lang na laban lang. Kahit na medyo financially not good, at least lumalaban. That's it.
Grabe yung katawan mo ngayon, medyo nag-fit.
Parang fit mo.
Yes.
Nag-fit mo ngayon compare mo doon sa screening last time. So,
Thank you so much, Lawrence.
Lawrence, last na lang. For example ka naman ng
Introduction mo.
sample ng
Introduction mo,
Lawrence Bengua.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lawrence Bengua from Bulacan and I'm 20 years old. That's it.
Alright. Thank you, Lawrence, and best of luck.